You'll hear a notification on your phone every 5 minutes. And when you get to check what it is, you'll see your PayPal balance is $25. This is now one of the simplest ways to generate money online after 5 minutes again and again. What's the secret to achieving this goal? This is one of the most effective methods of earning money online. It is quite basic and simple. However, you must set it up correctly in order to begin earning $25 every 5 minutes. You may do it yourself and earn even more if you do it correctly. Keep your attention because I will demonstrate how to accomplish this. It is not necessary to have any prior experience in order to get started. This strategy is absolutely free, which means that you will not be required to make any financial investments. Additionally, this approach is available throughout the world. It makes no difference where you come from, and you will be able to make money using this strategy. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'd like to share with you is called Capterra. Enter Capterra into your browser search box and click on the first result that comes. Capterra Incorporated is a free online marketplace where customers and technology vendors in the software industry can find each other. Basically, what it does is companies assist customers in choosing which software is best for their needs through reviews and research. In other words, your role is that you will be one of those people who writes reviews on various software applications and you will be compensated for it. The organization is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform since they offer one of the most comprehensive software search resources available anywhere on the internet. In addition to offering over 800 software categories in which you might do research or write reviews. They also provide over 1 million verified software reviews from real users. More than 50,000 products have been published based on these accurate reviews, and 3. It is completely free to use because vendors pay Capterra when their website acquires traffic and sales opportunities. Now I want you to click on the Write a Review button located below the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the page. As you can see here, there are hundreds of various software or programs to choose from in each category which you can evaluate. It's entirely up to you to decide what you want to write about for your review that is something that you are definitely interested in. However, for this video as an example, we will be focusing on one application that is definitely timely and relevant, and that is Zoom video webinars. Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing platform that may be used for a variety of purposes, including video conferencing meetings, audio conferencing meetings, webinars, meeting recordings, and live chat. This makes meeting remotely much more human, which is essential in order to help users feel and stay connected. This is very timely since today the work-from-home setup is very popular. As you scroll further on the page, click on the Zoom video webinars as soon as you see it. Or you may just type in Zoom video webinars on the search bar right here. Just make sure that the logo for this is the same as this one. From there, you will be required to accomplish a 3-part sign-up form. Now don't worry, I will be guiding you for every step of the way so you won't have a hard time and you'll start earning money. For the first step when registering, you will be required to submit your first and last name as well as your email address. The next sections are really important, so I want you to pay close attention. In the text box provided, please provide freelancer as the work title. They won't accept your review if you don't have a work title, so don't forget to include it below. Enter self-employed as the organization's name now. You don't need any prior expertise to write a review of a software, so choose the industry choice by clicking on this drop-down arrow and select computer software. Because you work for yourself, you can choose the right company size from the drop-down arrow that says myself only. As for how you've used the software, it's important to remember to not choose the free trial option. If you choose that, you won't be accepted. You should choose the option of 6 to 12 months or 1 to 2 years if you have really used it, so that the company can see that you've used the software on your own computer before. For the next section, select weekly as your answer on the frequency of usage for this software. Afterwards, you'll be asked about your involvement in using the program in the final question of the first part. Select the I am user checkbox since you will be using this software. Click next once you are done. And basically, this is where you review the software in terms of its quality, usability, and so on. For the second step, you simply assign it the number of stars it deserves. What I recommend is that if it meets all the specifications, give it a rating of 4 or 5 stars. It is nevertheless important to score the product based on what you have believed to be correct, even for factors that are designated as optional, such as the value for money and the software's features. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The third step is write a review of the product. Many people fail to earn money on the internet because they do not understand how to write an effective review. This is highly important since it is that many people fail to make money on the internet. The title of your review, as well as the pros and the disadvantages, must be filled out in the boxes provided, as can be seen in the example below. In the following step, this is optional, but I strongly advise that you still answer this. Here you must explain your overall Zoom experience. Take note when reviewing these programs, it does not always need to be a good review. You can also give feedback when you have noticed any issues while using the software. With this, the software developers will be able to fix the errors so that it will run smoothly. To make writing your review easier, I want you to go to google.com and type in the application's name and add the word reviews next to it. For example, for this, I will type in Zoom video webinars reviews. This will save you a lot of time and effort. After that, you will obtain a list of random reviews for this product. It is possible to utilize these reviews to get an idea, or you can just copy and paste it to Capterra website. To demonstrate, I will open up this page, and here you will be able to see what people are saying about this software, what they think about it, and other things on this page. You can modify the text slightly because it's not encouraged to simply copy and paste the reviews because you will most likely not earn anything if you do so. Lastly, after writing your own reviews for the application, just click the No option for the last 2 questions, and also don't forget to click on the tiny box as verification. After which, you may now click Submit. As you can see, there are thousands of users from all over the world taking the time to give a short review, and they are being paid for it every day. You may also read tens of thousands of reviews made by people who are already generating money on this website by simply visiting the website. You can get some inspiration and ideas from how they write their reviews, and additionally, you can use some of the sentences as a jumping off point for your own thoughts and observations when writing your own review. Now, when it comes to writing a simple review, you can just refer to other people's review or simply search on Google for a response to use as an inspiration. Now that I showed you the step-by-step process, the only thing left to do is repeat the procedure and find a new product or software to review to make $25 every 5 minutes. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.